Hello everyone, it's a new day on Smart Survey TZ. So today we're gonna study how to georeference, how to create the shapefile and how to edit the shapefile. So bila kuchelewa tutafungua QGIS yetu. As you see how it look. Last video nilifundisha how to plug those plugin ambazo zitatusaidia kupata map yetu kama inavyoonekana katika eneo hilo. Pia kitu kingine cha kuzingatia ni kuzingatia units. Make sure units za eneo hilo zinasoma the same, sije ikawa zinasoma tofauti. Kuna video tayari nishafundisha how to change the unit in QGIS. So bila kuchelewa, how to create shapefile, tuta click hapo, then tutaandika building because we are going to digitize the building to show how to create the building shapefile. Then tuta click kwenye vidoti vitatu, then after tuta save. As you know, shapefile lazima usave kwenye file lake. Tuta create file, nikosha create, nita click, then nita change projection. As you know, this is Dodoma, it is WGIS UTM 36. Okay, to apply. Then bila kusahau kwenye geometrical, this is polygon. Okay, then as you see imetokea hapo. Tuta click hiyo peni ambayo imeandikwa layer, then tuta click add polygon, then tutaanza kudigitize. As you see in every part of the building. Then after unaweza kaandika numbers because name inagoma, so utaandika 1 or 2 or 3, any number you wish, then it okay. As you see imetokea polygon yetu, as you see. Then tuta digitize, then 2 or 1 more 1 building with this, you got to okay. Add another one. Okay. Also tuta add shapefile ya barabara. Tutarudi pale tutaandika road. As you see hapo tulikosea. Tunajua barabara lazima tuchukue parallel line, si tukachukua dotted. So sorry for that. So we delete, then we will add again the shapefile of the road. Light fast. As you see, line string hapa tayari. Click, utarudi, utaad line, then you start. As you see the red line appear. Then tuta okay. As you see there is the red line, but now we'll change the colors. So you click there to the road, then you click here, then you apply okay. As you see now tunaona kabisa inaonekana vizuri. Pia tunaweza tukabadilisha building shapefile, tukaondoa hiyo pitching as you see. So for more tech kama hizi, tukiwa subscribe our channel in order to get a new video, new update every day. So thank you. This is Smart Survey. I'm Engineer Msiru. So thank you for watching.